Complex will also not be in. Corruption around us spread like viruses. Freedom will come to come to another righteous mind. But soon now these days, kings of the earth just to let's have a sing. Provision of the wrongs with the dominated. We can just ask that this is the mission of bonfire. This is the mission of bonfire. Hiring assassinators. Light of our murderer. Hey, bonfire. Bound to fall in fire. Iron to fight it, just one. Following emperor. I'm coming to define us. They come to define us. Going by a pen of honor reaches someone. Foolishness of honor is taught to the sun. Lots of it surpass the failures. Righteousness and justice, chivalries and self-redemption. And to a diamond was born within some. The true throne of lion. Justice and just shall be restored from the Lord. We can just like this is the mission of bonfire. This is the mission of bonfire. Are you in assassinator? Lies of a murderer. Hey, bonfire. Bouncing, falling fire. Iron to body, just one. Following emperor. Coming to define us. They coming to define us. Parang baka muna tayo tambayan. We're gonna give you Ras Miguel on Sistema.
Let's go, yeah! 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 Mic check, 1, 2, don't mind if I do. Take a mic for a walk and try to get through to you. Beware of the system who has stood this thing upon you. And for a government declaring that you represent you. Your insanity, lacking on integrity. They got control the sack of blood while we asleep. Take a look around, take a good look at the space. There is no for control or for another race. Do not care if you black, white, red or if you brown. You live around here if you come from out of town. Get down with you, get down with us. Just a step, this is the mission of bonfire. This is the mission of bonfire. Hiring assassinators. Like some murderer. Hey!
Parang baka natin si Ras Miguel on Sistema.
Angel PH! I gotta pass the mic. Who's out better with me? Check, check.
Parang baka naman natin
Kaya pa ba? Kaya pa? Ano na? Nagganap ka man, heart ha? Again, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Alam po natin, ligo na, pero maraming salamat. Mag-ingay naman dyan!
Sabayin niyo naman kami! Lasong na kami, guys! Ready na ba kayo sa tubi-tubi natin? Ano ba inaantay niyo? Dito tayo sa harapan! Pumunta kayo na! Dito tayo!
Taas ang kamay!
Lahat ng mga kapanalig namin! Taas natin yung mga kamay natin! Tube, 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 tube. Tube, 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 tube. Tube, 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 tube. Tube, tube, tube. Kayo naman! Tube, 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 tube. Tara na at sinigawan. Yes, sir! Ikaw ang hanap ng mata sa tuwing may mula na hindi nagmumula. Ako'y namumutan, bali sa asangin. Ako'y nagulala. Ito ang aking pambagala kapag ang mga ako'y wala sa tama. Tanging tigting lang sa andata sa pagbo, siya ako'y malulula. Wow, 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 wow. Oo, sa kapag-ibig, wala kang umaani. Dahil ko dati di na ngayon ang hangin. Kumusta sa akin? Sino mahanapin? Baka gusto ko'y lumasan. Sama mo kami, buwan sumiti, lakas na yung akin din. Di yan basta sa gedi, di ako ang sisi. Di mo kaibigan, ako'y inyong tulugan. Ikaw mo nakalang, mga di pa sa amor. Sunuan! Palakpakan muna tayo! We're gonna give you all percussion! On trouble!
Yeah. Ang lupit yun. Asan yung ano? Si... Ayan guys, may mga kanta pa tutugtog, so stay lang kayo guys. Ayan, malulupit din ang mga bandang susunod. At syempre, ayan, shoutout natin si Kuya Ice, the Almighty Ice.
Alright.
Yes,
Thank you, Enjoy PH. Lumitaw ako bigla. Alright.
yeah. Meron pa tayong ano, raffle.
May raffle pa to. Wala mo nang uuwi. May mga banda pang tutugtog. Ano? Gising pa ba lahat? Lasing na? Tayo dyan. Oh, labas niyo yung ano nyo, ticket nyo. Mag-raffle na tayo. Thank you muna tayo sa sponsors for
Yes,
tonight's
ay.
event. 4HDG Street Rehearsal Studio, Ion Graphics, Binhi, The Bakery, Sig Baby,
Yes,
Chupetas Best, Cafe Calzada, Dos Tres Stickers, Downers, The Filipino Cannabis Guy, Galaxense Perfume Collections, Grind and Go, Idea, Happy Prick, Kamote Crispy Chips, Dana's Best Pastil, Kusina Andy Rice, Munoz Crispy Chili Garlic, Pulmano Printing Services, Mabas
Yes.
Outdoor Footwear,
Kaya mo yan.
Save, Tidbits, Usok Gang, Unos Outdoor Equipment, World in Progress.
Yes, and syempre yung ano, Dana's Best Pastil. And yung ano, nandito yung ano, may-ari na Galaxen. Ayan, ang pogi-pogi Juju. And syempre, meron pang isa. So, ayan, sana buhay pa yung mga sticker nyo.
Ticket number,
Ay, sticker. Ticket nyo, sorry.
ticket number 0308